Hey everyone, welcome to the Aztec Adversarial Testnet. Aztec is a fully decentralized privacy-preserving network, and the Adversarial Testnet is really meant to push the limits and test out all the decentralization mechanisms needed to launch Aztec as a fully decentralized network from day one. So if you're a node operator, now's a great time to spin up your node, start proposing blocks, attesting to blocks, and participating in governance. I'm here at testnet.aztec.network, and I'll just be showing you quickly how you can join the validator set as a node operator. We are using ZKPassport as a proof of humanity in order to join the validator set in a permissionless way. And the first thing that you're going to do here is a quick check to see if your passport has a high likelihood or not of passing. ZKPassport is a very early technology that uses zero-knowledge proofs to prove that you're a passport holder without actually revealing anything about yourself. But only around 120 countries are supported right now, and new certificates in countries and IDs are getting added every day. In this case, our ID is supported, and so we're going to continue on to register our validator. The first thing that you're going to do here is connect your wallet. And once that's connected, you're going to be prompted to install the ZKPassport app. ZKPassport is an app that's available on either Android or on Apple. And you're going to do so just by clicking this step 2 here and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you have the app installed, you'll use that to actually scan your passport. And you're going to have to look for that little chip in your passport. It's located in different places on a passport for different countries. And so you may need to try a couple times just to make sure that it scans correctly. You may even need to take off your phone case to make sure you have a good connection with the chip. This should take around 30 seconds or so to generate a proof. It's taking all of your passport information from your scan, generating a zero-knowledge proof of this information, and sending it to this application. This allows all of your information to stay locked on your phone and just a proof of it to be sent to verify your humanity. Once this is done generating, you'll be able to then register yourself for the validator set. You can see here, ZK proof was successfully generated, and you can now register as a validator. All you're going to have to do here is click on register. And this will add you to the queue for your node to be added into the validator set where you can start proposing blocks and testing to blocks and participating. I'm going to click register here, but I'm going to get an error because I have already registered myself because I'm a good node operator and I'm already in the queue. You can only use your passport once while you're registering. This is to prevent any Sybil attacks and to keep a good, healthy network running. Finally, after you register, you're going to be able to claim a Discord role, the Explorer role, and this will unlock a whole section of the Aztec Discord for you where you can interact with other node operators, discuss governance upgrades and proposals, and any issues that you run into. And you're just going to enter your Discord username and hit submit. But what I'm going to do now is just show you what happens after you click register. Once you are in the validator set, you can head over to DashTek, which is a community-built dashboard that tells you everything that you need to know about your node and the state of the Aztec network. The first thing you'll be able to see here is a leaderboard, which will display the top performing validators, who is attesting, proposing, and participating in governance, and you can see, click into any of these to see the details of how they're doing as an operator. The other thing that you can do here is head on over to the validator queue. You can see here there are currently 850 in the queue. The queue is currently lets in one validator each epoch, so that's around every 20 minutes. We expect this to speed up in the future, but that's the current expected time. So if you're in line, there's around 75 people a day that are getting let in. So maybe a little bit of a wait up front. But again, our team is working on future updates, speeding this process up so that we can get more people in faster. You can then search your address here to see if you're in the validator queue and track your progress as you get closer to joining the validator set. The last thing I'll mention is that we are testing out all of the decentralization mechanisms for this adversarial testnet. So that means there's active slashing. If you don't perform as a validator, you will be, other validators can vote to kick you out of the set. We will also be testing governance upgrades, and so you'll have to participate to see those upcoming upgrades in the Discord and then participate in the actual upgrade process itself. So that's it for now. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight into how you can join the validator set in a permissionless way and start participating as a node operator in the Aztec network.